Hey there guys, welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. Well, we got a little bit of an update for you guys on the whole Cydia matter. Now, if you checked out my previous video on how to get Cydia on your Chimera jailbreak or how to get it through Sileo, unfortunately that repo is currently down and it does not contain Cydia at the moment. Cydia Universal was actually deleted from that repo, and I actually wanted to do an update, a quick video on how to get Cydia on your device. So make sure that I'm going to add in this repo right here. It's diatr.us.chicydia /. And I'm going to leave the link for this repo in the description down below. All you'll need to do is just copy it and paste it into your Sileo, into your sources, and you should be able to download Cydia. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and just refresh my my sources here, and as you can see here, there is, once we go into the repo, we can download Cydia for Chimera /Electra. So this is the Cydia application where you'll be able to use Cydia instead of Sileo if you prefer that. So if you prefer Sileo, go ahead and continue to keep using Sileo. If you like Cydia and you grew up with Cydia and that's something that you like to use instead to install your different tweaks, go ahead and use Cydia. This will install the application right onto your device, and this is a more stable version of the Cydia application on your device. So just to kind of another workaround, I wanted to just update you guys and give just a quick how-to on how to get Cydia on your iDevice running the latest Chimera jailbreak. So I hope you guys did like this video. It's a small one, really quick tutorial, very easy how to do. If you guys have any questions, have any concerns, comments, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. But please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.
That means you're extra extraordinary.